Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today we're going to be making some of these blueberry floured, almond floured pancakes. Now these came out really great, and again I forget a lot of times where I get these recipes from, but if I have the link, I'll have it below to show more. And here I'm putting some of my maple syrup on it. It's sugar-free, but it's okay for keto. But just be aware that it, might not be appropriate if if you're doing true keto. So, anyways, like again, at the end of the day, you do you. And here I get some fresh blueberries that I kind of softened them a little bit in the microwave. But I believe these were frozen. And then I'm adding a little bit of butter on the top of my pancakes because no pancakes would be good without butter. And then, of course, then comes the maple syrup and. These came out really fantastic, and if you just follow me along, you'll be fine with this particular recipe. And I'll be talking over the timeline. I got some country music going in the background, and I'm just over here trying to adjust my camera angle because remember I'm filming by myself, and it's because you're dealing with blueberries. You don't want to get blueberry because on the anything that you're worried about staining something. But yeah, these came out really great. I'm not even sure what the macros are on these, but it's pretty simple to figure it out. So what I've been doing right now is I've been recycling a lot of my older videos because I'm looking over the first videos that I've done on these my YouTube channel, and I'm realizing how junky my videos were and my terrible voice in the background noise and all that thing that was going on in the background. And even before I got my cat there, we had a lot of street noise and apartment noise. So now they're cutting all that out now and just talking right over the video when it's quiet in the back room and continue on with this particular style of filming that I've been doing. But again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the show more there how you've been liking my videos now. And I hope they really help you and, for you to continue with your journey and have a successful weight loss like I've been having. Thanks for coming along. Love you guys. Okay, so let's get started. You need 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of confectionate syrup, and 2 eggs at room temperature. So let's go ahead and crack the eggs into our Ninja Blender bullet and make sure they're room temperature. Then you'll need a little bit of maple syrup, 2 full cups of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of sour cream. I think if I remember right, I might have got this particular recipe from Keto Focus there. And again, as always, even though this actual video that I'm doing in recipe, it's not on the timelines. A lot of times, if I forget the original YouTuber, Annie from Keto Focus, she's made this recipe in the past, and it came out really great. Now, normally I would be using Chalk Zero for my choice of maple syrup there, but I didn't have any on hand, and I'm having a hard time getting some certain products again there, so just bear with me. And again, if you're doing true keto, this is not probably for you because it's got some stuff in there that's not really keto, but it's okay for what I want it for. But just be careful because of the carbs and the sugar. And then I'm putting. You can tell me that I'm showing you putting in a little bit of vanilla extract. Sometimes I use a measuring spoon. Other times I would just use my my measuring cup, and a lot of times I would just eyeball all that stuff and just dump and go person because that's typically the way I make my recipes a lot of times. But since I'm being more careful how I give my recipes out, I'm trying to be a lot more creative with the video and visual display. So now we're going to be mixing that up in our Ninja Blender bullet and just turn that lid upside down and let it rip for a little while and just hold on to the unit itself so it's not going to take off like it's been doing lately. And I just let it go for about maybe 20-30 seconds or something like that until I feel that the batter's fully mixed. And then of course now I'm opening up the lid there, and there's a little bit pressure on there, and then as I turn it around, taking my lid off, and I'm going to show you the inside what it looks like. And there you have our batter over here, nice pancake batter. The smell from the cinnamon is fantastic. Then I'll get one of my pancake grill, and I'm getting ready to warm it up at 350 degrees. And then we're going to put a little bit of butter on the top of the grill and start making our pancakes. And and I'll give you a tip on the pancakes. When you make the pancakes, don't make them really giant big. And I poured my batter into a measuring cup to make it easier for me to pour. And I'm sorry about the angle on the camera there. But I'm trying to get better at it, and I'm talking in the back room over here because it's quiet right now, and I'm getting ready to go to school shortly, or maybe I'm not really sure right now. I got to call the school up and ask them a few things about my things I got concerned going on with my wife's health right now. So anyway, when you form your pancake batter, when they start forming bubbles around the sides of it and it starts cooking, then the pancake is ready to flip. And I got another little tip for you there. You can really get your pancakes cranking. You can take a lid and you can make a glass lid over your pancake and let it cook that way. And the steam from the pancake will really make it fluffier. And the next time you see me doing a pancake recipe, it's probably what I'm going to do on a newer video that I'll be posting. There you go. That's what I wanted to try to adjust my camera angle. Again, I'm filming by myself, so it's really, really difficult when I get no help. So if you're a content creator and you got help, somebody can film you, God bless you in there. And I need to really invest in a Rode mic so I can, what I mean by that is like a good microphone, so when I'm talking clearly into the video, into the microphone, that you can hear my voice. But that's another reason why I hadn't done too many live videos. I haven't done actually any live cooking videos at all because I was just afraid of the apartment noise. But we're gonna surprise you guys one of these times and just do like one of my friends here, Anne Marie, we're going to do like about maybe an hour video cooking time there, and just start doing some lives at some point. But just bear with me on that, and just follow the process with this, and you'll be fine. When the pancakes are ready to flip there, you'll know it there. And then I eventually ended up buying myself the proper spatula that I needed. This spatula I had was a little bit older one that I had. And we've had a lot of our stuff for ages here, and now it's time for us to start replacing all that stuff with newer quality stuff that I'd be happy with. The problem with me is a lot of stuff I buy lately, I'm not happy with it, and then I feel as if it's a waste of money, and then I got to either return it, and in some cases, if I wait too long to return the stuff, I'm stuck with it. So that's typically a process that I go through when I drive my wife crazy with this all the time. So now we almost get ready to flip the pancakes. And there we go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that, guys, huh? Am I getting good or what? It's really, really tempting to take the top of the spatula and push down on the pancakes to help them along a little bit there. But if you do that, you're going to lose the fluffiness of the pancake. So now from this point on there, I'm just going to, just along with you guys, just enjoy the video and we'll come back and we'll just talk about it. Okay, so we are back. So these are our pancakes we just made, and they are really fluffy pancakes, and they came out really delicious. And I'm counting how many I got here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 flapjacks, and maybe 8. But if you look at the texture came out, they feel and taste just like pancakes. Look at that, guys, huh? Look at that. And that was the backside, nice and golden color, and so these came out really, really good. It was better than I expected there, and I think the reason for that is because I had used the, I believe it was sour cream that I had put in, and yeah. So then, of course, I'm going to add some stuff on the top of it. I'm adding some blueberries, and because no pancake would be complete without butter. And that's the Kerrygold butter. And then I'm going to take a little bit of softened blueberries that I had frozen, that I actually soften them up in the microwave a little bit, and I'm using some sugar-free maple syrup on the pancakes. Again, if you're doing true keto, probably that pancake syrup would not be for you, but remember, at the end of the day, you do you. And here we go with the nice fresh blueberries. Does that really look great? And so, you know, again, blueberries are fine for keto, or look at that. Look at that, guys, huh? Doesn't that look yummy? I mean, pancakes are good any time of day, not just in the morning, but I can eat them almost really any time of day of the week. And what's great about all these is you can freeze them and make them up ahead of time and put them in Ziploc bags and have them over the course of your week. And if you're going to use blueberries like that, just be careful that the blueberry's not going to stain, or, you know, if you get it all over your shirt there, and you don't want to have to be a mess and go to work or something like that, you know. But I absolutely love these pancakes that I made, and I plan on definitely making these again. Maybe next time, instead of blueberries, I'll probably do some chocolate chips or anything related to that type of thing. But again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, I take a lot of pride in what I'm doing, and hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.